Hi children, welcome you all to my second video of Unit 1, Segment C. I will do it of personality development. Children, on the 5th of September, I think it was on Teachers' Day, we released the first video of I will do it. Really, I got wonderful responses from most of you. That's really wonderful. So let us start the second video. Children, as I told you, it was written by Mrs. Sudha Murthy Garu, Padma Shri Sudha Murthy Garu. Children, here I forgot to tell you in my previous video, Sudha Murthy Garu was awarded with the one of the greatest civilian honors of our India. That is Padma Shri. So she is Padma Shri Sudha Murthy Garu. And she started narrating the story, the real story of her own husband. And it is from how I taught my grandmother to read and other stories. So slowly Sudha Murthy Garu introduced the hero to us. As I told you in the textbook, when you see, the introduction of the hero comes at the last. Okay. So that is the magic in this text. So now already she introduced the hero to us as he has icon of simplicity, uncompromising quality and fairness. So Narayana Murthy Garu is an icon of simplicity, uncompromising quality and fairness apart from being a philanthropist. And he got his own motto. Motto synonym we can say like a principle or a conviction. Many synonyms are there, children. Every one of us should have a motto. So Sri Murthy's motto is powered by intellect and driven by values. Intellect, to have a deep study or understanding of anything is called intellect. I think you heard about the word intellectual. So one who is driven by the power of intellect is called intellectual. They have a deep understanding of anything, any subject. And driven by values in whatever profession we are, whatever subject we are doing. Values are most important. Every time I stress on this point only, values, values, values. No value in life, children, we have to lose our own value. Okay, beautiful, no? Yes. So, Sri Narayana Murthy Garu hails from a very poor family. And do you know about his father? He was a high school teacher and got a great interest in English literature. Reader of English literature those days. A high school teacher, because those days children were more, not in the school. Family I am speaking. Narayana Murthy Garu's family, very big family, siblings and all. Only one income, that is father is a high school teacher. You can imagine the income. And what about this man's study? Very good at studying. Murthy Garu's study was very good. He was such a great student, I must tell you, when his seniors asked him to clear the doubts in science particularly, he was always ready to clear the doubts of his senior students. And I imagine that he is studying in 9th standard. So 10th class students approached him. Murthy, would you please? Yeah, ready, come on, I will speak. Let it be physics or chemistry or biology, whatever it is. He was always ready to give the solution to the problems or to the queries, the doubts raised by his seniors. This is one very important, great feature of his character. Next one. He could grasp theories of science faster than the speed of light. Oh my God. Speed of light, all of you know. You all did experiments also, I think. Faster than the speed of light his grasping power was. In what? In grasping various science theories. See, generally, this is what we have to identify being teachers. Every time I tell you. Sometimes you don't know in which subject you are good at. A boy who is good at science may not be good at some other subject. So we should not belittle that boy or a girl. One girl you take, she is very good at mathematics. So when that kind of motivation, when encouragement is given, you can imagine that student reaches to the highest level. So Murthy Garu's grasping power was faster than the speed of light. I think this is small example you can understand what was his knowledge. And naturally, as how now you are in 10th standard, you have your own aims. What we have to do, sir, what we have to do, sir. We haven't seen you only, any one of you. We are really worried about our future, sir, how our future would be. Okay, leave it, man. Now this is the pandemic time. Not only our future, everybody's future is uncertain. But generally, once you are going out of the school or 10th standard, you have your own aims. Like that, Murthy Garu wanted to study IIT. See, Narayana Murthy wanted to study IIT. I think I need not expand. Indian Institute of Technology. And that to Madras, Bengaluru, Mumbai, Ahmedabad. I think you heard. Superb, really. Kharagpur. These are the temples. 9th standard, I told you. Temples, Nana. Temples of knowledge, IITs. Studying in IIT means studying in either IIT or IIMs, Indian Institute of Management or Indian Institute of Technology. It is a dream come true, Not ordinary thing. To get entrance, clear the entrance and get through is not a joke. But one thing. Do you think it was a difficult task for him? Oh my God. Nothing. No coaching like today. Today you see for everything coaching. 6th class onwards IIT. We started, Okay, I am not criticizing myself. Everywhere, no. 6th onwards IIT. But how many people are really joining IITs, we don't know. Isn't it? IIT comes once after enter second year. All of you know. You have tried JEE mains, advanced, and then you have to clear, then you will get IIT. That's not a joke. But for that, coaching morning till night, midnight, okay, coaching after coaching, here physics, there chemistry, somewhere mathematics, and two lecturers, three professors, and a number of tests, test, keep on testing. That is the situation today. But those days, no coaching center, nothing. He studied on his own. Because a boy at school level only, his grasping power was faster than the speed of light, means you can imagine. Could he crack? Yes, he cracked IIT. That's it, without any coaching. No guide for him. Because he was guide to seniors. You see the joke there. Then who could be guide for him? He sat alone below a tree, dreamt of studying. Always dream. Yes, I must join IIT. Nana, this is what I always tell you. Why these type of lessons are there in the beginning, like in the personality development. Simply, I want to join IIT. No. I must join IIT. This is what required. If somebody asks you, Fani Kumar sir asks you, Endra, what do you want to become? Sir, I want to become engineer. Sir, I would like to become something. No. I must become an engineer, sir, a software engineer. Sir, I must do metallurgy. Or I must become marine engineer. I must become a soldier. When that must enters your mind, then your approach will be different. And when you keep on telling, I want to, means that want to will remain as want only. It will never become a dream, and that dream can never become a reality. I am sorry to say, children, really. You have to put in your mind, I must. So, Narayana Murthy Garu, he kept in his mind, yes, I must join. What was he thinking? All were happily playing there. But he was sitting under the tree, I must join IIT. I must join IIT. That was his ultimate aim at that age. Do you think what was the age? 16 years. Oh my God. 16 years means you can imagine what sort of happiness. Wonderful youth, no? Today you are all completely filled with technology. Those days, where is technology? Nothing is there. Technology today, every time I used to tell you, science is tomorrow's problem. tomorrow's solution too. Yeah, science and technology, tomorrow's biggest problem is science and technology. At the same time, science and technology, the wonderful solution also. So that is there in your hands. A 16-year-old boy, just with an aim, I must crack IIT. See the determination of that boy. So really he cracked. The day has come, he cracked. Okay, he went to Bengaluru, he attended the entrance exam, qualified with a high rank, fantastic rank. Nana, high rank means don't think that I got across India. Sir, national level I got 1,35,000, not that high rank. Amma. You have to get top rank means very least, in number least, but originally that is the highest rank. Suppose if you say that I got some 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, yes sir, what highest rank I got means, yeah, you be in that again dream only. I want will come again. Right? So, he cracked it, Nana, but unfortunately, father could not put him in a IIT. Why? Economic position. See, those days they studied, they had great dreams, but due to financial position of the parents, they couldn't make the dreams come true. Today, financial position very good. Okay, and you can imagine. I don't want to complete that sentence. Left to you. But one thing, he never shared his unhappiness or helplessness with any of his friends. Okay, friends asked him, Murthy, what happened, Ra? No, nothing, nothing. Hurry, we are all leaving for Chennai, Ra. Are you not coming? We are all leaving, no. IIT Madras, we got seats, no. Oh, really? That's wonderful, Ra. When you are leaving? Tomorrow evening, Ra, train. Are you not joining? No, Ra, you go, Ra. Why you tell me? No. He never used to reveal the problems of his family to anyone. That is another greatness. This is called introvert nature actually. A ninth standard, I told you, introvert people, they don't disclose anything. They'll keep everything in them only. But one good thing about introverts, of course, they're always in their own world. That is one minus in them. And the good thing in them is that whatever the problems they are facing, they don't reveal and they don't unnecessarily panic other people. That is a good thing. They will suffer themselves a lot. So he never told to anyone, his friends also, about his father's inability, sending him to IIT Chennai. No. But he forgot all those things. He went to the station when some of his friends who got seats like him in IIT Madras, those days it was called Madras. So he just waved them. They all said, Murthy, come join. No, you go. Bye, Ra. Bye, all of you. Bye. Wish you all the best. Okay, I must see you in IIT, all of you. Very good. You're joining again? Are you joining next? No, you go first. Bye. Okay. He started waving at them until how far he could see the train left the station, bidding bye to them. That's it. So, see the pathetic situation. The boy who got the highest rank could not join IIT. What happened next? Let us conclude in next video. Rewatch my video, enjoy it, do a small assignment. Okay, children? Bye.